Hi, I'm John Fanney at Fanney Law Office. And today I'm just reading questions off the internet. Now these are questions not from real clients, but they're from folks just like you who are looking for some information about a legal situation they may be facing. Today's question is, what's the fine for going 20 miles over the speed limit? Will I get my license taken away, and how much is the fine? Well, I probably need a little more information, but let me go about it trying to answer it this way. There are a lot of different ways for speeding tickets to affect you and your license. You're looking at consequences of driving points, insurance points. So when I have a conversation with someone about a speeding ticket, I want to ask them a few important questions. And those questions are this. First of all, when's the last time you had a ticket? Have you had any tickets in the last 3 years? Who else is on your insurance policy besides you? Have they had tickets in the last 3 years? What type of tickets have you or your other folks on your policies have? Have there been any at-fault accidents in the last 3 years? Have you recently been convicted of any serious offenses like reckless driving or DWI or speeding in excess of 55 miles an hour? You know, I could go on all day about the consequences of how a speeding ticket can affect you, but what you really need to understand is this. These are not just simple, go pay them off and it's going to be okay. Now, the reality is there's sometimes folks call and they don't need a lawyer. We take a look at their case, we find out that the officer may have already reduced their ticket, there aren't any consequences to taking care of the ticket, and we tell folks just to pay it off. But oftentimes we look at these situations and there's a lot more there. And that's when people need to come in and sit down with us. You know, we take a look at your driving record. Sometimes what you have in the past on your driving record has a huge effect on what happens to you in the future. A lot of people don't know that in certain situations, just like this question, speeding in excess of 80 miles an hour can take your license for an entire year. Being in excess of 15 miles over the speed limit and over 55 will take your license for at least 30 days. Multiple convictions in a 1-year period could cost you your license. Then there's the whole issue about driving points. You get up to 12 points. You might be on probation. You might only get 8 points. These are things that you need to know. So if you've got a speeding ticket, just give us a call. If we can help you, we'll let you know. If we think you should just go on and take care of it, we'll tell you that too.